Well, I'd just like to say that this tomato puree is going awfully fine with my
Isn't it? Oh, please shut up, phone. The taste of them tomatoes.
The tenderness of this tomato puree. I would just like to say I do love this tomato puree.
And it's bringing a tear to my eye.
I know. I'm just going to have to put my knife and fork device down.
I think I'm going to have to join you. The thought of the tomatoes
The pain and the sorrows that they have had to go through is absolutely awful.
not fair.
I think we should do a prayer for them.
If you have enough for a raisin, sir.
Should we do a prayer for the poor tomatoes and the poor bushes that they have had to go through to make our tomato puree?
As we are eating on our plates today.
With the hands. You may take this honour of prayer to the gods. I'm not quite sure.
Dear tomato god. Thank you for the tomatoes you've given us on our plates. I don't think you understand how much love and affection you've brought to our hearts.
We thank you ever so much for bringing this tomato puree into our lives.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
Now let's make a prayer. Thank you, Lord.
Amen.
Now let's take a piece of our chicken. A very small piece, remember. Awfully small piece.
Yes.
A little bit of tomato
Puree, which came from the
beautiful
things.
And let's keep brave.
Yes, I think we should. I feel so bad.
And just I'm just in what so every time that you go and take a mouthful, I interrupt you.
Yes, you do. I'm seriously concerned about you.
You cannot see a tomato puree.
Our Heinz tomato puree.
Oh, I'm awfully sorry there, Miss Kirsty Nicole. So if we take it and we just I can really taste the tenderness of the tomato puree. It awfully complements the
And that sweet aftertaste you receive.
Obviously. I'm just stunned. Absolutely stunned.
Taste satisfies your bones.
It does satisfy my limbs. I'm not very sure what limb means, but it sure does satisfy my limbs.
Does it? Well, it satisfies my little taste buds that tingle. I don't actually think you understand.
Oh, Kirsty, please don't. Nicole, please, just think of the tomato puree out of the bushes have come off. What are we doing to them? Get teary eyed. Every time we talk about it's not in control of the tears.
It's not even funny. The pain we've caused. I can't be doing this anymore. I'm eating them. These fresh, beautiful tomatoes.
They could have been sent to
Africa
or
India
or Tunisia or Afghanistan.